Hi, welcome to Sri Academy. Myself, Fanindra. I am going to give one result in limits topic that is going to be useful in your exam point of view, competitive exam point of view. So many times based upon this result, number of times completed ESET competitive exam you got this result. See how it's going to be useful in our problems limits topic, that is limit x tends to 0 cosecant x minus cot x divided by x is there. First of all I will give the result, based upon that how we are getting we'll see. Whenever limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax divided by x square is there, we are going to have an answer a square by 2. A square by 2. For suppose limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax divided by x is there, answer is going to be simply 0. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax divided by x cube, answer is infinity. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax divided by x to the power of 4, also infinity. Not only for 4, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 6. If you are getting any value, any power other than 2, higher than 2, other than x square, x cube, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 7, if you get any power, x power, you will get infinity. This you have to remember. In this simply answer ekkadaithe exist ayindho adokati gurtu pettukogaligite, that is limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax divided by x square is there. Based upon a, we are going to have an answer a square by 2. See, I will solve this problem. Now see, limit x tends to 0 cosecant x minus cot x by x is there. I am writing cosecant x in trigonometry. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin x. Cot x is nothing but cos x divided by sin x. In denominator we are having x, that's you have to apply limit x tends to 0. In numerator, if you take LCM, it's going to be sin x. The LCM is going to be same, that's why you will get 1 minus cos x. In total denominator you will get x. That is I am writing limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x divided by x into sin x. I am writing separately sin x, that's indirectly it's having 1. What I am doing means I am multiplying a numerator with denominator with x. Then you will get here x square. Here x into x, already x is there, x into x, x square. Now see, we can apply total limit for this two function. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x divided by x square 1. Limit x tends to 0 x divided by there's I am writing sin x divided by x. If you apply limit, it is like, in place of a we having 1. 1 square by 2 means 1 square by 2 1 into 1 divided by sin theta by theta. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta always is going to be 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. 1 into 1 indirectly 1. 1 by 2, answer is going to be 1 by 2. That we can write limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x divided by x square is there, answer 1 by 2. Depends upon a, you are going to get. If you are getting here 2, 1 minus cos 2x by x square, 2 square, that is 4 divided by 2, you will get 2. Answer is going to be depends upon a. If you are getting in denominator x, answer is going to be 0. If you x cube other than values, you are going to get infinity. See, same problem, same result we will use here. That is, actually this is a ESET competitive question exam lo vachindi from 2010. Not only in 2010, in 2017 also you got. 1 minus 2 cos x plus cos 2x divided by x square is there. What I am doing means in numerator, in trigonometry formula is there cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. I am using that, and if I replace that 1 minus 2 cos x, in place of theta we having x, that's if you replace plus 2 cos square x minus 1 divided by x square, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, limit x tends to 0. In numerator minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos square x. If I take a minus 2 cos x common, what you will get here? Minus 2 cos x పోయిందంటే plus 1, ప్లస్ ల నుంచి వెళ్ళి మైనస్ వెళ్తే మైనస్ 2 cos square x లకి వెళ్ళి 2 cos x పోతే ఓన్లీ cos x డివైడెడ్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. నేనేం చేస్తున్నా అంటే దానికే సపరేట్ చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ 1, దిస్ ఈజ్ డినామినేటర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. ఇట్స్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ 2 functions I am saying. Now if you apply limit to this function, limit x tends to 0, minus 2 into cos x, 1 is cos x, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Minus 2 already is there. If you apply cos 0 is going to be 1, that is minus 2 into 1 into 1 minus cos x by x square, same na, 1 by 2, 2 get cancel, answer is going to be minus 1. If you remember this result, this is very good result. So many times it is asked directly. I am framing one formula here. How see? 1 minus cos x I am writing as a limit x tends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx divided by x square. The answer is going to be simply b square minus a square by 2. Have you got means? Simply if you add plus 1 minus 1 for this one, you will get this indirectly. First of all, if you add plus 1 minus cos bx by x square, for that one first b square by 2 వస్తుంది. దాని తర్వాత minus 1 బేస్ చేసుకొని దీనికి రాస్తే minus of a square by 2 వస్తుంది. Combinedly LCM is going to be same. That's why b square minus a square by 2. Same formula, this one both. By using this one you will get that one. But if you remember this one, if having x square in denominator, you will get a square by 2. x ఉంటే 0, x cube ఉంటే infinity, x cube తర్వాత ఇంకేం వచ్చినా సరే infinity. Only for that. Why? Because in limits, if numerator degree, denominator degree both are equal, then answer is going to be existed. Based upon that one, here numerator degree, denominator rendu equal గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది. With this result, if you are getting like this, any problem you can do.